Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Hello guys, Mikayla here. I'm going to preview the stomach growling, farting, and diarrhea sound effect from samelamqueak. It was heard in a video called #GetchaPee, #GetchaPoop, #GetchaFart, Y'all Hate It Scroll. It was uploaded 5 months ago on May 17, 2025. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 009 to 015. The total seconds are 6. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. I'm going to preview it right now. It sounds like this. See? I already told you that this sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is only used for IRL Noella's OCs and characters when they fart and poop in the toilet. So, yeah. Literally, the things were given credit to samelamqueak before this sound effect was used. So, I'm gonna link this video right now. But anyways, the sound effect starts at 009 and ends at 015. Well, I'm going to see you later right now, and I'm going to feature Enzo in a few more episodes.